Alright guys, so welcome back to another video, and today we have the Honkai Stereo and UGREEN collaboration. So you can see we have Yao Guang here. So this is one of the collabs they have also done one in the past with Genshin, so now they're doing another one with Honkai Stereo, which is fantastic. So this is one of the items. There's actually other items as well they're doing, like the power banks, the wireless power bank, and also other accessories as well. And they also have I think it's a special bundle as well they can get, but I only got this one because this one I think is the most worth it for most people, and the rest are pretty expensive. So yeah, this is the Nexode USB-C to USB-C fast charging retractable cable. So I'm going to show you guys later how it works, but this one is it's a collaboration between Honkai Stereo and UGREEN. You can see we have Yao Guang over there. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it closer. So let me just cut the seals. So cut behind, and I think that should be good. You can just open, yeah, the top and see how it looks like close up. Okay, so this is the packaging, and quite nice. What else do we get actually? This is just a user manual, which we don't really need honestly. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and just check it out. So it's very small, and I think that's about it. It's just a box. You can see the nice fancy design there. And let's open up the retractable cable so you can get a good idea of how it works. So this is how it looks like in close up. Look at the details, very clean. And the back looks like this. And this is the retractable cable, so you can pull. Let's say I pull and then I let go, and it will stay. So you want to retract, just pull again and let go. It should be back in place. So that is the good thing. So it's both sides. You can see if I pull this side, the other side as well gets pulled as well. So it's a two-way thing. So I can pull like quite long actually, like that. Wow, that's actually pretty long. You can see. So 1 meter in length. And one thing nice about this is it's really compact, so you can keep it somewhere and your cables won't be like dangling here and there, which is very annoying if you don't have something like this. So this is really handy, and this is supporting up to 100 watts, so I think more than enough for most of the laptops as well, and the tablets or even smartphones. So should make issue with this cable. And this also supports the fast charging as well, so should be no issues there. But other than that, that's all guys. This is a short little unboxing of the UGREEN and Honkai Stereo collaboration. This one they're doing it with Yao Guang, it seems, so you can see with Yao Guang. And yeah, overall I think it's a really nice product that they have, very high quality and very useful as well. So if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description. You can purchase it using my link as well. And that's all for me guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.